All right, hello, my favorite Spanish class. I hope everyone is doing well and is staying healthy. I'm going to show you your two assignments that you're going to be working on that are due by Friday, March 20th. So I posted some things in Google Classroom, hope nobody freaked out, but there's two things that you're going to be working on primarily. Number 132, which is working on Duolingo for 15 to 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and working on tiny cards, number 137, for 15 minutes a week. Okay? I gave you some other material that is helpful. So numbers 133 to number 136 is helpful materials that do not need to be turned in. So if you click on them, they are vocabulary lists and notes that are going to help you with what you're going to be learning. Okay? So let's start with Duolingo, number 132. This is probably the easiest and best way to learn Spanish without being able to teach you. So the two things you're going to be working on, and we always want to go in and read the directions. You're going to click on the link to join Duolingo for your class. I want you working on it for 15 to 20 minutes a day. So by Friday, the 20th, you need to complete Spanish basics and Spanish common phrases. They have already been assigned to you. Okay? Then, once you've done that, you can review the vocabulary for those, work on other vocabulary sets, get linguts, get streaks and trophies, etc. Okay? So by the end of the week, by Friday, you're going to complete 6 lessons. So it looks like this. So you're going to be working on the introduction and you're going to be working on the phrases. Okay? It's going to look different than mine, but there's all kinds of other vocabulary that you can work on. Okay? It gives you leagues, progress, your next achievements, friends, all kinds of stuff. Okay? You can also follow Duolingo on any of these social media items that you want. Okay? So, keep in mind that you're going to be working on Duolingo for 15 to 20 minutes, 5 days a week when you log in. So let's say you complete these two, you're already done with them. When you log in, you can review those same ones again, or you can work on other stuff if you want to work on. Okay? But I'm only going to be grading you on the introduction and the phrases. These need to be done with headphones or the volume turned up so you can hear and respond. So this part is really important. In order for this to, for you to learn the vocab as well as possible, you need to repeat the vocabulary phrases out loud every time Duolingo says it. Okay? And this Duolingo assignment is not a race. I want you to do it slowly, using your brainy brains and thinking. Okay? It's better to do a little bit every day than to cram it in all in one day. Okay? And there's all kinds of stuff that Duolingo does to give you feedback, and I was showing you some of those. Okay? So that is the Duolingo assignment. So then the other assignment is number 137, which are Duolingo tiny cards. So you're going to be working on anything you want. Okay? If you want some direction from me, you can work on Spanish basics and Spanish common phrases. It's going to be similar to the vocabulary that we were doing in Duolingo. Okay? But you can do other things. If you want to work on Spanish clothing, work on Spanish clothing. If you want to work on verbs, family, kind of letting you decide what you're working on here for 15 minutes every day, 5 days a week. Okay? I recommend the first two. If you want to go in order, that's fine. Okay? Then what I want you to do is upload screenshots of what you work on. So log in every day. If you're working on this one day and you finish it, screenshot it. You work on this one another day, screenshot it. Okay, if you work on this another day, screenshot it. So you are going to upload by Friday all the screenshots of everything you've done. Okay? You can upload the separate pictures. You can put them on a Google Doc so that they're all on one document. You decide. Okay? So those are basically the two things I'm going to have you work on. And let's be clear. There is no telling mom and dad or your grandma or parent or guardian, oh, I already did my work for the week. That's not what the assignment is. Okay? You are working for 30 to 35 minutes, 5 days a week on Duolingo and Tiny Cards. Okay? Even if that means that you're going back and reviewing, because that's what language is. You learn new things, you review things. You learn new things, you review things. Okay? Please, if you have any questions, if it's a question that the group might need to know, you can put that in the comments for the class. You can also send me a private comment on the assignments. That's probably the easiest way to ask questions about the specific assignment. Okay? All right, everybody. Take care. Stay healthy.